Today we continue to keep teaching about the basic interface and the basic function. Like last time, I already have teach you how to control the viewport and then how to create the object, especially the 3D object, and then how to modify after create, and then how to set out the unit, and then how to using move, rotate, and scale. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to fill the color, the object color. Okay, for here is it the color. Actually we are calling is a wireframe color, or maybe you can call this one is a tentative color. Okay, why I say like that? Okay, let's say here we have a tree object, and then you can see this tree object actually is a different color. And then you still maybe you were thinking why every time I create color, I create the 3D object, the color also different. And then is it I can set up before I create the object? Is it I can set the color, what color I want? Then after create cannot. Actually, this all is a freedom one. That you can do. All you only can do is after create the object, then you can change the color. Okay, let's say here top view, you can select the box. Okay, the box you can go to front, left, or maybe perspective view to select the object. Also can, because just only 4 different view, but the object is a one only. Okay. Okay, so now select the object. Now this one is a blue color. So if I want to change the color, okay, go here. You select the object, then you can see go to the left hand side, and then here you can see the menu. The topic is a name and color. Actually the box now for this one is a box 001. You can change the name if you want. Okay, maybe you can put ABC. You can see here is a blue color. So you can click the icon. Okay, then you can see the object color. Then you can select which color you want. Or maybe you can click this one, add custom color. Okay. Okay, what color you want? Let's say we can put red color. Then just click. So now select the color, then click OK. So you can see it will become red color. Like just now I said, this one actually the color is wireless color. Actually the real one, this one the color is a wireless color. That means it's outline color only. Okay, so not the real solid color for the 3D object. Okay, because if you want to fill the real 3D object color, that one you need to go select this one, material editor. So this one I will teach you after a few classes. So today I just teach you how to fill the color and then using this one. Okay, so this one we can call this one is a tentative color for the 3D object. Okay, so now we continue again. So let's say now cylinder, you select, then go to create, or maybe you can go to modify. Actually it's the same one. You can go to modify, you can see, or you can 001, the object name, and then here you can see the grid. This one, the grid color actually is an existing color. Okay, you can go here, also can, just a different location only. Okay, just click, and then choose what color you want. Okay, example purple color, then click OK. Okay, so this one is very easy, how to fill the color. Okay, another one, if now I want to select these two, okay, you can highlight like this, select together, like cylinder and box. You want to fill one color, that means together, okay, in one color only. Let's say maybe it's white color, so you can select together, then go to click this one. You see here is calling two objects selected, so you just click white color, confirm, click OK, then you can see together. Okay, then you can see top, front and left. You can see the wireframe color is a white color, and then this one is a purple color. Okay, so now you can choose another color again. Select object first, then click. Okay, I put different color here, red color. Okay, so the color is like that only. Okay, for this one only can fill solid color. You cannot use this one to fill like got some different texture color or glass mirror, that one you need to use material editor. Okay, in future I will teach you how to view it. So now, okay, next we'll teach you how to use snap toggle. Snap toggle, okay, here. This one is called snap toggle. Snap toggle actually have another two again. Okay, this one is 2, 2.5, and 3. As normally we are always using 2.5 and 3. 2 you can skip. And 2.5, remember 2.5 only support top, front, and left. And then 3 only can using perspective view because 3 only support 3D view. Okay, remember? So 2.5 now, okay, let's start 2.5. But before you start, you need to make some setting. Okay, if you not, you cannot use it. So now select and right click. Then you can see grid and snap setting. Okay, because the default setting is select grid point only. So now grid point actually I already hide, so no need to using grid point. So more important is you need to select vertex, endpoint and midpoint. These 3. Okay, that's all. So now close. So now if you okay, now still select 2.5. So if okay, you can imagine now you go to top view example. You can see what different. Okay, actually this one is calling midpoint, endpoint and vertex also. Actually it's the same function. Okay, so you can see they have auto detect the point. If you know how to use AutoCAD, you know what I say. Because actually it's the same concept with AutoCAD. Because AutoCAD also have vertex, endpoint, midpoint, and others like grid point or pillar grid or what. Okay, never mind. So now we can continue. So let's say now, okay, before I using, I need to create few object first. So easy to explain. Okay, so now I click 2.5 again. So you see, if I off 2.5, actually it's nothing. If you on, you see, auto detect. So now, example, okay, this one I put bigger one, so easy to see the object. Okay, and then another one, you see, if I select the object, example, this box, okay, I select this corner, I want to put here, okay, it's 100% fix the point. Okay, so how? Press and then move in, and then you can see when you see the rectangle come out, then you can lift the button, then he will automatically snap inside. Put the same point. Okay, you can see this one is a snap in fact. Okay, including front also can if you want. So let's say now I want to put the box, this one the mean point, put in the mean point also here. You see, actually it's 100% fixed. Okay, so this one is called 2.5. Okay, let's say why I cannot using 2.5 snap toggle using and then go to perspective view. Okay, you can see if I try, okay, I press Z because can. Now, if let's say now I want to take this point, go to here, the point. Okay, so press and then move in. Then you can see if I rotate, actually cannot. Because now I using 2.5. So you need to use 3. But if you use 3, if you using 3, then you take this one, go to put here. Okay. So now if you rotate, then you can see. So that's why perspective view you need to use 3 snap toggle. Now what using for this one snap toggle 2.5 and 3, because in future if you want to make some interior 3D drawing, architecture or other for the sculpture, especially the sculpture, other technique, okay, you need to use snap. Also very important. Okay, so you will know in future. So you need to know what function and then how to using 2.5 and 3. And then another one is like click, vertex, endpoint, mean point you need to open. Okay, so next. Okay, so next I will teach you. Okay, I need to reset first. Reset layout. Okay, so next I will teach you how to copy paste. Actually, copy paste not like very normal, just copy and paste. Actually got another special function inside again. So before that, I need to select other object and then delete first. Okay, just leave the box and then make some I can do the example. So select the object. Okay, if now you want to select more than one object, you can press Ctrl. Okay, press Ctrl and then click. This one is a add selection. Press Ctrl. But if you want to deselect, so how? Press Ctrl and alternate. Or if you want to add, just press Ctrl only. And then now you can delete. And now you press Z. Z is focus. Like last lesson, the video tutorials I already mentioned, Z is focus. So now only leave the box. Okay, how to copy paste? Copy paste actually have two options. Okay, and the first very basic option is select the object first, then you go to edit, then you can see this one, clone, and then the shortcut is Ctrl V. You don't want to use the shortcut, you can click this one, clone, and then after you select, then it will show you the clone option, and then you can see here got object and then tree selection. What different? Okay, you need to remember this one also very important. For the first one, copy, just the copy only. This one is very normal, basic. But instant, a bit different. Refresh also. So now we are using copy first, so I can explain one by one to you. Okay, just click OK. Then when the copy one, okay, just the same location, you just take up. You see? Now we have two objects. Okay, so now if you select two objects, then you go to edit, clone again, then you're using copy again, just OK, then it will be cut out another two object again. So that means if you select two, it will show you another two. If you select four, it will give you another four. Edit, clone, copy. Okay, so this one is very basic one, how to copy and paste. Okay, so do again, Ctrl Z. Leave one original. So select the object again. Then now edit, clone again. But this time I want to using instant. So just click tab up another one. Okay. So now I select another two. Okay. Instant, another two cut up. Okay. Maybe you will feel, hey, what different? Like the last one, the copy one, actually a bit different. Okay, let's say instant, after if you copy another tree, totally now have four objects. So now I want to start edit. Okay, you can select one of them. Okay, let's say we can select this one. Then you go to modify. Okay, so now you can see language height is 45, 61, 41 point. How much mm? Okay, let's say now height I want to put 100, but I only select this object, so I put 100, enter. But you can see another tree they will follow in the center, because this four actually is a connection. So this one is an instant function. This one is a if you want to use copy, this one is an instant in fact. But if you're using copy, okay, use copy and then move up. Try again, clone again, copy, take out another one, then select these two, again, copy, move up. So you can see. You see, this four actually is copy one. So now I select one of them, select, Then I add only this one change. Other, okay, still the same one. This one is copy, just copy only. They will don't follow together. Okay, so, different like instant. Instant actually is connection. This one select. Maybe a now I select another object again. I press I go to edit, clone, reverse. Okay, what different? Reverse you still can copy, you see. And this one I reverse again. On reverse. On reverse. Or I want to put different color, red color. Now, you see, this four actually is using reference to copy the object. Select one of them, you can see, if you want to edit, you want to modify the object, you go to modify, you can see here, actually empty, not any setting inside, and then this one also. So this one is a reference function. I recommend you want, if you want to use it, after copy the object and then you want to connect, you want to link together, then you want to edit so other will follow, I suggest you can using instant. Reverse I don't suggest because a bit not very suitable to edit, because you need to select the original one. Original is this one actually, because I copy from here. So that means if this one is the original, this four actually is copy. So I need to select, then edit, other will follow. So this one is a reverse. Okay, so this one is a copy path. This one actually just now I mentioned the old one is an option 1 only. Actually have option 2. Option 2 actually a bit more faster to copy. And now I'm using the white color. Okay. Just now I teach you is using copy, edit, clone, and choose copy, instant or reverse. Okay, this one is an option 1. And then another option is the shortcut. You can select the object and then press shift, and then move out. Then after that, leave the O button. Then you can see clone option. It will show you the object, and then this one also will ask you copy, instant or reverse, or reverse, which one you want. And then one more thing, it will show you another one option, number of copies, how many objects you want. Let's say I want to put 3, so you just click OK. It will show you another 3. You can see. So now if you select this 3 and you press shift again and then tap up, I select Y and put down, and then it will show you another. And then you're using, maybe you're using instant, and then put 3 also, just and see this one will be more, and then more faster to copy the object. Because this O, okay, are using instant, that means you can select one of them, edit, there will be follow. That's all. So today our tutorials end here. So if you like my video tutorials, you can click subscribe our channel to see more video and outdated information. Thanks.